Can you smile? Hello? Can you smile? Can you smile? Can you smile? If you smile, your hiccups will go away. Yes. That's how it works. You have to smile to make them go away. Can you smile?
Julia.
Mommy smile. Mommy smile. Mommy smiling. Why can't you smile? Everyone's smiling. Doesn't sound good. Look at this cute little toe. Sticky little feet. Sticky, sticky feet.